Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's topic is conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. In previous classes, we have discussed how we can convert a galvanometer into a ammeter. Today's topic is the conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. If you remember the previous class, I have told you that galvanometer is a very sensitive device which is used to measuring small amount of current passing through. When large amount of current is passed through it, it gets heated up and gets damaged. But today, then we have converted it into an ammeter. It was a previous class, but today's class is galvanometer. How can we convert a galvanometer into a voltmeter? As you know that voltmeter is a device for measuring potential difference across any 2 points in the circuit. That means when we have to measure the potential difference at any 2 points in the circuit, we use a voltmeter. But today's topic, how can we convert a galvanometer into voltmeter? First of all, we take here, suppose this is a galvanometer G galvanometer. In previous class, if you remember, we have connected here small resistance shunt here. In here, that means in parallel, we have connected a small resistance shunt in parallel with the help of this becomes a ammeter. But when we convert a galvanometer into a voltmeter, we have to connect it, and a galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter by connecting a high resistance in series. That means एक resistance हमें high resistance value हमें series में निकालनी है, series में connect करना है. this ये हमें series में करना है. That means here is point A, it is point, यहाँ point A, suppose this point C, and suppose current flowing, this point B here, point B here, B here. Here this becomes here, this whole circuit becomes their voltmeter. Voltmeter is used for measuring the potential difference across the 2 point ends. Suppose the potential difference between, so that means a galvanometer is a device used for measuring and detecting small current, whereas voltmeter is an instrument which is used for calculating potential difference across the ends of the conductor. We consider a galvanometer of resistance G, and let a resistance R be connected in series with the galvanometer. We are connected with the series. Galvanometer is connected across this galvanometer is connected across terminals A and B, galvanometer, and this is the galvanometer. Manometer is connected between terminals A and B, and by resistance R between terminals B and C, between terminal B and C. Suppose this is terminal C here. Resistance is connected between terminal B and C here. Resistance is connected between terminal resistance between terminal B and C. You can see the diagram B and C. And suppose V is the potential difference. This V is the potential difference between A and this. Potential difference between A and V is the potential difference between A and C. This V is the potential difference between A and C. V is potential difference between A and C. V is the potential difference between A and C, and Vg is the potential difference between A and B. That means this V and G is the potential difference between terminal A and B. That means what is the potential difference B and C? It means it is the potential difference between B and C is V minus Vg, because total potential difference is V. यहाँ Vg potential difference, that means potential difference Vg is PD, potential difference between A and B. V minus Vg is potential difference across the ends of resistance between B and C, across ends of resistance or between B and C. Okay. and current flowing through this. Let Ig is the current flowing through the galvanometer. Ig is the current flow which the galvanometer shows full deflection. Okay, this shows the full deflection. Ig is the current flowing through this, and IR is the current flowing through the resistance. IR is the current flowing through the resistance. Okay, Ig is the current. Ig current flowing through galvanometer. IR is the current flowing through resistance. Okay, since these are connected in series, galvanometer and this resistance are connected in series. When they are connected in series, hence same current will flow through galvanometer as well as through the resistance. When they are connected in series, same current. That means when same current, that means the current flowing through galvanometer is equal to current flowing through resistance. That means when they are connected in series, this is for Ohm's law. Ig is equal to then IR. Why? Because same current flows through because they are connected in series. When the resistance and the galvanometer are connected in series, same current will flow through galvanometer as well as through the resistance. But as per Ohm's law, you know that as per Ohm's law, potential difference आपने पढ़ा है, potential difference divided by current is equal to resistance. ये Ohm's law है. Or we can value of current is equal to current. We can get the value of current. Current is equal to potential difference divided by resistance. That means current शासन बराबर current किसके बराबर है? Potential difference divided by resistance as per Ohm's law. For galvanometer, we can keep it here. For galvanometer, what is the current flowing through galvanometer? That is galvanometer Ig for galvanometer. For galvanometer, Ig, that means current flowing through galvanometer. Ig is equal to potential difference divided by resistance. What is the potential difference of galvanometer? Potential difference of galvanometer, if you remember, that's called Vg. Vg divided by, what is the resistance? Resistance is here G. It is G is the resistance of the galvanometer. Vg is the potential difference across the ends of the galvanometer. R is the resistance of the resistance, and V minus Vg is the potential difference between the resistance between the terminals of the resistance and between B and C. That means for galvanometer, current is equal to potential difference go Vg, resistance हो गया G. Name this equation third or second. For resistance, for resistance, current flowing through resistance go IR is equal to potential difference. Potential difference क्या होगा? Potential difference मैंने ये भी आपको बताया, इसका potential difference V minus टोटल ये potential difference between A and C है. This is V. यहाँ के potential difference VG है, इसका ये potential difference हो गया V minus VG. That means V minus VG divided by R. Name this third. Okay. I hope you have got it. Therefore, when we substituting these values in equation first, because they are connected in series, therefore Ig is equal to IR. Instead of Ig, I can write Vg divided by G is equal to IR के बजाय V minus Vg divided by R. ओके, या मैं इसको करूँगा Vg मल्टीप्लाइड बाई R इज इक्वल टू Vg multiplied by Vg into capital G. Okay, R यहाँ resistance R is equal to Vg divided by Vg. V is the potential difference between A and C. Vg is the potential difference between this galvanometer, which is the ends of the galvanometer, between A and B. This is V. V is the total potential difference from A and B. G is the resistance of the galvanometer minus जब Vg divided by G the whole divided by Vg. Vg and Vg cancel. If you look इक्वेशन सेकंड VG बटा G इज इक्वल टू IG, और यहाँ मैं लिखूँगा और G बटा VG, ये उल्टा करो, ये हो गया 1/IG. From this we can substitute the value G by VG is equal to IG, that means current flowing through galvanometer. Instead of G by VG I can write IG from equation second. From equation second we get I bata IG is equal to G bata VG. When we substitute in G, instead of G by VG I write 1/IG. Therefore above equation becomes R is equal to resistance is equal to V divided by IG minus G. That means knowing the value of R, we know that what is R. If you remember, R is a resistance. We are connecting here resistance here. R is resistance here. Here R is the resistance. That means IG is the current flowing through the galvanometer. What is the G? G is the resistance of the galvanometer. That means knowing the value of R, G and IG, we can calculate the value of V. Value of V, that is potential difference. That means when we calculate the value of, we know the value of R, IG and G. That means knowing the value of R, IG, G, we can calculate value of V. That means potential difference across the ends. V, what is V? V is the potential difference across the ends of the terminal. That is called V. That means we can calculate the value of V. That means that is potential difference across the ends of terminal, and the ends of A and C. That means we can calculate the potential difference. That means this was the galvanometer. That's galvanometer I have converted into voltmeter. Voltmeter is used for measuring the potential difference across any 2 points in the circuit. How we can convert it? By connecting it is connected by, that means a voltmeter is a device for measuring potential difference across any terminal. Can be converted by connecting a high resistance. That means we have connected a high resistance in series with it. The value, that means when we connected high resistance series with it, this becomes instrument. This becomes the new arrangement. It gives then a potential difference between A and C. That means when galvanometer is connected with a high resistance value but series to it, it becomes a voltmeter. It gives me the potential difference between the terminal A and C. Here I know only which R is a high resistance value, which जो already मैंने दिया होगा उसका value मुझे पता होगा. IG is the current flowing through the galvanometer and G is the resistance of the galvanometer. When I know these values, I can find out the value of V. That means voltmeter can be the galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter by connecting a high resistance in series with it. The value of this resistance is so adjusted that only the current IG, which produce full scale deflection in the galvanometer, passes through the galvanometer. ये galvanometer में pass हो जाएगा. फिर हमें ये लिखा G, where G is the resistance of the galvanometer, R is the resistance of this, V is the potential difference between A and C, VG is the potential difference between this. इसका potential difference V minus VG होगा. फिर हमें थोड़ा सॉल्व करना है. सॉल्व करके हमें वैल्यू, वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ वी. हमें वी के साथ गर्ज है. वी इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. दैट मीन्स इट गिव्स देन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन एंड्स ए एंड सी एंड बिटवीन द एंड्स ऑफ द टर्मिनल. वी दैट मीन्स दिस वाज द galvanometer. It was converted into voltmeter because it gives me the value of the potential difference. अगर इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस, अब इसकी ये रेजिस्टेंस, इसका रेजिस्टेंस आर है, इसका रेजिस्टेंस जी है. इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस को इसका जो वोल्टमीटर अब बन गया, इसका इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस क्या. सिंस दीज रेजिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज, जब सीरीज में हो गया तो उनका ऐड करना पड़ता है. इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस में लिखूंगा इस पर आर एस. इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस इसका व्हेन दे आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज, in the value of series, then total R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In parallel, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1. But in series, when resistance are connected in series, total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. यहाँ दो resistance है, G plus R, G plus R. That means G plus R. That means effective resistance should be the combination of two. That means it is very, very greater than what is. It should be very, very greater than G, because इसका जो है, इसका ऑलरेडी हम, इसकी रेजिस्टेंस ऑलरेडी ज़्यादा है, इसका रेजिस्टेंस बहुत कम है, बिकॉज इट्स शो द फुल स्केल डिफ्लेक्शन हियर. इसका रेजिस्टेंस बहुत कम, ये ऑलरेडी इसका रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज वी आर कनेक्टेड है. द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इज सो, दिस galvanometer by we are connecting the high resistance value in series. इसका ऑलरेडी रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है, इसकी रेजिस्टेंस कम है. इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस R प्लस G है. दैट मीन्स ये R प्लस G है, दैट इसकी वैल्यू G से बहुत ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. जो G से, जो galvanometer से इसकी रेजिस्टेंस बहुत होनी चाहिए. दैट मीन्स फॉर voltmeter a high resistance R is connected in series with a galvanometer. Therefore, resistance is very large as compared to galvanometer. Therefore, the effective resistance is very large as compared to galvanometer. The resistance of an ideal voltmeter. Ideal voltmeter वो होता है जिसकी रेजिस्टेंस इन्फिनिटी होगी, बहुत ज़्यादा होगी. The ideal resistance is the ideal. This is the resistance of an ideal voltmeter is infinity, because it should be very, very greater than the G. I hope you have got it. Thank you very much.